Hi guys, this is Arshia from the Three Sisters Show, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful snowflake. So first, of course, you're going to need a scissor, and you're going to need a piece of paper. Doesn't matter what size. So if you don't have a square piece of paper, and I just, like me, just have a regular, plain sheet of paper, that's a rectangle, it's easy to make a square. All you have to do is take one corner and fold it down till these sides match, like this. And 1 second. Alright, done. Now you have that. All you have to do, you could either fold it or cut it. And I'm going to cut it because folding is not really the best thing to do when you're making a snowflake. It's really better to cut. So, with great accuracy, I'm not very accurate, but you're going to try to cut it off, the remains, the extras. I'm not the best at this, so I don't expect you to be the best at this, but if you are, great job. I'm not. Nobody's perfect. Alright. Once you got that cut off, what you're going to do now is just some simple folding. First, flatten it out, blah, blah, blah. First, you're going to fold it in half. So, simply like this. Then what you're going to do is fold it in half one last time. So, like this, okay? Second. Wait. Alright, so just going to fold it like this. Now, this is one of the hardest parts. Be ready. You're going to have to get your scissor back for this. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to take this and see the point. You're going to make sure it matches. So, like that. And then you're going to cross this over. Like that. And then these remains, you're going to flip it over. See a line, you're just going to cut off the remains, like at the beginning. Like this. Now this part is easy. All you have to do is just make your designs now. So you can cut it any way, anyhow. Want to cut the tip off a little. Do your design. Do you. Your design. Yourself. You're awesome. And I mean that. Okay. So, this is kind of not origami, but because it has cutting, but whatever. You can make shapes, triangles, whatever you want. Whatever you think is in a snowflake. I am just making weird little slits here. Although a tip actually cut out the shape. It's okay if you got scraps or anything. That's what it's supposed to be like. Nice pieces are just flying everywhere. Alright. After a few more snips, I should be pretty much done. You could cut it a lot more, but I'm running out of time here. So right now I am just going to... Wait, first I want to cut the bottom. I am running out of time, but you can design your thing however you want. And even better, you could decorate it even more, like color it, add glitter, glitter glue, whatever you want. This is your snowflake, and each snowflake is unique. So make it unique. Get it? Unique. Alright. Alright. Just gonna get these out. 1 second. Technical days. So shiny. Okay. Got that out, and now for the grand, I just want to cut out one last thing. Alright, now I'm going to open this. And ta-da! You got a beautiful, wonderful snowflake. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. And in the comments down below, if you want to, show me your snowflakes and your beautiful creations. This is Arshia from the Three Sisters Show, out.